How you doing, guys? My name is Ace, and I'm pretty sure you did the same mistake that I did, or that I used to do, when I'm writing code with an agent. You probably wrote 100 rules inside your agent's MD or inside your standards.md, which makes no sense, and I'll explain why. Let's just say, for example, you have a unique standard of how, let's just say, files are being written up inside a certain directory. For my example, look at this. 0, 0, 0, 1, bunch of 0, 2, there is 0, 3. Like, it doesn't make sense, or it's not trivial the way I'm writing those migrations file. We're not getting into why this is the case. It's just the case. But the reasons and the explanation to how you should write them exist here in the standards.md. Now, I have a question. If I'm going to tell an agent to create a migration file, but it is not allowed to make a read grep or agent call, how would it know? The simple answer that it would never be able to know. See, it doesn't know. You know that it might be like whatever migrations directory, whatever, from, I guess because maybe I undid the last session, so you might remember, but it doesn't give him an explanation of how you should do it. So now I just want you to read a single file inside the migrations folder. Just read a single file, and that's it. Now something amazing is going to happen. It's going to read the migration. It's going to read the migrations, auth table users, and something amazing will happen behind the scene. The standards.md would actually be injected to this information. Now, it says that it reviewed the standards.md file, which outlined it. But I don't know if you can see it, but it really did not make a tool call for this file, right? It just made 2 reads for the migrations and for the O1 auth table user. Let's ask him. Did you make a tool call for the standards MD? Or was it injected? Well, you probably can guess what it's going to say, but I just wanted to affirm what you already can guess what I did. I created a plugin that injects a standards MD file every time you traverse to a directory and into a markdown file that exists in a directory, right? So it says, I did not make a tool call for standards MD. It was automatically appended to the output of the read tool by the system when I accessed the file in the directory, in the migrations directory. It knows now how to create migrations, but it's only after it looked inside. This tool saved me so much tokens. It saved me also a lot of complexity, because you don't need to know, like, I'm 26k tokens now. If I had all my rules and all my standards shoved inside the system prompt or the agents.md, it would easily hop to 50 grand. Now, 50k tokens, grand. This is what I want to leave you with. There's a small standards injector. It doesn't have to be the standards injector. It's a OpenCode plugin. It has only one path that you need to be curious about. It's this file's name. You can change it to whatever file name that you want. You want a standards, you want a agents, you want to do whatever. I like standards. It's amazing. And also I'm using Astro, so I need the lower dash. But if you have a bunch of other naming conventions, or you want to choose a different naming conventions, it's simple. Just edit this. Now, if you don't know where to put it, this is more of a simple way to explain it. Inside the .opencode folder, so if inside this project that I have right here, I have a .opencode folder. Then inside of it, I have plugins directory, and inside of it, I have the standards injector. You have the gist in the comment section, in the description, Just tell me guys what you think. You used it, you didn't use it. I hope you guys have the best time coding with agent, and I'll see you in the next one.